We're in Saga, Kyushu at TeamLab's Outdoor Night Museum. I feel like I'm in a magical forest. And look at that waterfall. It's just lights, but it's so pretty. Normally, their museums are indoors with interactive digital installations like this one. But here, all the works are outside, where nature becomes the art. 22 artworks are scattered across 500,000 square meters, fitted with thousands of sensors, lights, and projectors for an immersive experience. Motion. So motion changes the colors of all of these black bubbles. Makes you feel super powerful.